Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your payroll reports in QuickBooks Online. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your payroll reports. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to QuickBooks. Then underneath menu, you want to highlight where it says Reports and then click on Standard Reports. So towards the bottom, you're going to find a section or drop-down menu called Payroll. This is where you could actually find the Download Payroll Reports option. So if you click on that, you should be able to filter between different dates, the total cost, tax payments, summaries, etc., and then click on Export to Excel. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your payroll reports in QuickBooks Online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.